Hi! Today I will show you how to trace a basic mandala. Start by taking the center of the paper and trace 4 different circles of 1 centimeter radius, 2 centimeter radius, 3 centimeter radius, and 4.5 centimeter radius. Then trace grids separated by 10 degrees. To draw a mandala, you should always start from the center. Start by tracing a petal on each 2 grid sections. Taking the intersection of the 2 small petals as a starting point, trace petals in the second circle on each 4 grid sections. Use the compass to add a very thin line and trace on this line small petal arcs. Add a teardrop between each petal. Trace the outline of the second circle. Then trace an arc petal on each grid section. To form intersected petals, start by tracing curved lines, just like you see in the video. This is it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.